Dear students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sri Kumar. The class is for 6th standard students. Subject is mathematics. Let us begin the class.
We are beginning the second lesson, which is named as angles. Angles are known to you, and you know that in order to draw an angle, you need to have a ruler, pencil, and as well as you need to know that angle is formed when two rays start from a common vertex. By putting arrow mark, we make arrows. One end will be fixed. The fixed end will be meeting at a point called vertex. ये चैप्टर में आपको ज़्यादा देख के समझना है और मैं कम बात करेंगे. Why? Because you have to see and what is happening on the screen. And we know how to represent the angle. We represent the angle with a small symbol, which I have shown here in a red color, and we name angle using 3 alphabets. Let us name this angle as A, B, C, normally in capital letter. So this angle is named as ABC, where B will be the vertex. That means A and B will be on the arms of the angle. B बीच में जो है वो vertex में लिखना है. Okay. Now we will be going ahead. I will be drawing more angles now. There are 3 angles now. I am drawing the 4th angle. All these are angles. Why? Because common vertex and 2 rays. And all these rays must have an arrowhead. ये भी angle है. Now what is the main difference between these different angles I have drawn? थोड़ा ध्यान से ऑब्जर्व करो, अपने आप सोचो डिफरेंस क्या है. ये सब एंगल्स है, डिफरेंस क्या है सोचो. डिफरेंस उसमें है जिधर मैं अभी मार्किंग कर रहा है. एक्सपेंशन में डिफरेंस है. हाउ मच दोज टू साइड्स और आर्म्स ऑफ एन एंगल इज एक्सपैंडेड, कितना गैप है उसके बीच में. और क्या डिफरेंस है? दैट इज द मेन डिफरेंस. The angles are different because their expansions are different, or their measures are different. Their measures are different. मतलब measure भी कर सकते हैं. Normally measure करने का मतलब क्या होता है? वजन करना है. एक लाइन दिया, लाइन सेगमेंट दिया, तो हम एक रूलर से मेजर करेंगे. और ये एरो मार्क बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है जो मैं डाल रहा हूँ. तो हमको भी देखने से मालूम पड़ा that these angles are different in their expansions. The gap between the two arms are different. And to measure that expansion, we are having an instrument in the geometry set or box. We call it as protractor. ये आपके protractor जैसा नहीं है, मुझे छोटा बड़ा कर सकते हैं. डिजिटल प्रोट्रैक्टर है. और प्रोट्रैक्टर में भी स्केल है, फ्रॉम 0 to 180, फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट, फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. ध्यान से देखो, देखो 180 तक है दोनों एंड पे. नाउ ये जो एंगल्स, विच साइड ऑफ द एंगल इज ओपनिंग और विच साइड इज द एक्सपेंशन, दैट विल डिसाइड फ्रॉम विच साइड वी शुड स्टार्ट measurement, or how to measure with the protractor. For example, if we are having an angle open on the right side, we will use the right side 0, and on the opening from the left side we will use the left side of the 0. अभी मैं आपको measurement करके दिखाएगा तभी आपको समझेगा. Wait. I am drawing angles again. Wait, I have to. This is not on paper, no, on screen drawing. So even I need to take time to get response. I am drawing angles for you. तीनों angles different. Why? Because the expansion is different or measure is different. And we will come to know only by measuring what is that difference. For that we need the protractor, as I told you. And keep the protractor in such a way that the angle is opening from the right side. So we will start measurement from the right side, from 0 from here. So all these three angles are having different measure. So all the three angles are different. This way we have to start measuring. Oh, actually आपको line नहीं डालना, आपको दिखा रहा हूँ. From here I started counting 0 to know that how much. Taking another protractor because कितना भी protractor चाहिए तो मुझे मिलता है इधर. So this also will start measuring, keeping it in line with the base of the ankle. Now I will start measuring from again, and I will see that it expansion goes beyond 90, 100, 110, 20, 30 तक जाता है. इतना बड़ा measure है. Okay, so protractor will give us measurement and we write it in degrees. That means we will write 40 degree, 50 degree, 100 degree, 130 degree, like that. Measurement is in degrees. The first one is exactly 90 degree, second one is less than 90 degree, third one is more than 90 degree. And what is the difference in this particular? जो fourth one जो मैंने draw किया, इसका measurement दूसरे side से शुरू होता है, from the left, because it opened from left. So we will measure from, not from right, from left we will start. Understood? And you have to keep the protractor in line with, then only the measurement will be accurate. It should be perfectly placed so that the measurement will be accurate. Okay, so from there is no need of putting line like this. आपको दिखाने के लिए मैं line draw कर रहा हूँ. That way we will measure from left to right side, because this angle is having a situation that it opens on the left, the previous one is from the right. So measuring the angle is with the help of an instrument called protractor, and it all depends upon what kind of angle it is. And angle बनाने के time एक arrow mark डालना बहुत ज़रूरी है, that is very important. Like this, मैं पहले डाला नहीं है, just a must that there should be an arrow head for each side of the angle. And where those two arrows meet, that point is called the vertex of that particular angle. Vertex means meeting point. मैं उधर डालने को कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, but थोड़ा shift होके गिर रहे, because digital spacing issue है. Anyway, coming back to the last figure, I will be drawing one more arm to it to make it an angle. But this time I am making it from there straight on the opposite side. Sorry, straight on the opposite side. And if I measure 180 degree मिलेगा आपको. How much it would be? 180 total measure of the scale. That means there can be angle 90 degree, less than 90 degree, more than 90 degree, and 180 degree, which will look like a straight line. Which will look like a straight line. ऐसा डालेगा तो line बन गया. And measurement is 180 degree. So 90 degree, 180 degree, less than 90 degree, more than 90 degree. I am categorizing the angles. क्या क्या तरह का कौन सा टाइप का एंगल्स हो सकता है. और मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, कभी कभी ऐसा सिचुएशन आता है, आई विल मार्क द वर्टेक्स ऑल्सो, एरो मार्क डाल दिया, and I am putting a vertex also, and I have to draw the another ray, तो वो उधर टच करके बनाता हूँ, थोड़ा ज़्यादा बना दिया आपको दिखाने के लिए. इट इज़ मेड टचिंग द फर्स्ट एरो. सो व्हाट विल बी द एंगल इन बिटवीन दम? कुछ एंगल होगा क्या? एंगल तभी बनेगा इफ इट इज गेटिंग एन एक्सपेंशन. इधर एक्सपेंशन ही नहीं है तो जीरो में ही रुकेगा. इट विल बी 0 degree एंगल. द अदर वन इज 360 degree एंगल. एंड व्हेन यू थिंक इन अनदर वे, दूसरे एक तरीके से आपको सोचना है, then you will get the feel that why it cannot be like the angle is obtained after rotating it completely. expand okay, expand okay, expand okay, वापस पहले लाइन में आ गया तो फिर 360 डिग्री होगा ना. so by look it can be 360. by look it will be a single angle, but it can be named as 360 degree angle also, as well as 0 degree angle also. दोनों नाम दे सकते हैं, बिकॉज दोनों दिखने में एक जैसा है. Understood? So these are different types of angle by measure. We are having measures of angle 90 degree, less than 90 degree, more than 90 degree, then now 360 degree and 0 degree. Let me draw some more angles. Sometimes the angle will be like this. Now whether where to measure, which side to measure, whether I should measure the inside or outside. If you are measuring outside, you will be getting a measure more than 180. 180 से ज़्यादा मिलेगा. Correct? How much is not the important. I wanted to say a benchmark that 90 degree, less than 90 degree, more than 90 degree, 180 degree, then more than 180 degree. This is more than 180 degree. Here it was 180 degree. The other one was 360 degree. First one was exactly 90 degree. Second one was less than 90 degree. And the 90 degree वाले को हमने नाम दिया right angle. Correct? The second one we can say that it is less than 90 degree, and we have a special name for that. We call such angles which are having measure less than 90 degree as acute angle. Angle with measurement less than 90 degree is named as acute angle. So this is an acute angle. And the next one, if you think it is more than 90 degree, right? No doubt. More than 90 degree it is. Such angles which are having a measure more than 90 degree are named as obtuse angle. So there are right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. जो नेक्स्ट वन भी ऑब्ट्यूस है. दिस एंगल नहीं दिखते, एक लाइन जैसा दिख रहा है. लुक्स लाइक ए लाइन, बट इट इज एन एंगल हैविंग मेजरमेंट 180 डिग्री. बट इंस्टेड ऑफ सिंपली सेइंग 180 डिग्री, वी कॉल सच एंगल एज स्ट्रेट एंगल. एस चाहिए, स्ट्रेट एंगल. अंडरस्टूड? Here we have already marked the measure of the angle, either 0 degree or 360 degree. Or it can be named as complete angle. There is another way of naming it as complete angle. Angle घूम फिर के complete हो गया. Okay. So these are the different types of angle depending upon the measure of the angle. कंप्लीट एंगल, ज़ीरो एंगल, 360 डिग्री एंगल, ये सब एक ही है. Understood? So the topic or the video was about different types of angles. What are angles? What is meant by vertex of an angle? What is meant by right angle? What is meant by acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, and complete angle? Okay, so this is very important, and you will be answering some questions given in the textbook, that to check that whether you understood. You can pause the video and again watch it. Take little time to by heart the names of different types of angle. It will be of high use in the higher classes. Okay, this kind of angle which is more than 360 degree, more than 180 degree, 360 डिग्री नहीं, 180 डिग्री, स्ट्रेट लाइन है तो 180 डिग्री होता है. अभी more than 180 degree, such angles are named differently and studied differently. These angles are named as reflex angle. Reflex angle will be having measurement more than 180 degree. Understood? It is a reflex angle if it is from 181 to infinity. So, my dear students, the class was about different types of angles, and you should go through the textbook again and again, go through the video again and again, pause and understand and proceed.
Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.